Today I'm going to share with you 3 print-on-demand products that you should be listing in your shop because these will sell all year long, not just December, because these are evergreen, low competition, and they're the perfect product if you're looking to start print-on-demand in 2026. First up, we have t-shirts. It doesn't matter what month it is, t-shirts are selling every single day. They are cheap to produce, they are easy to design, and it is so easy to use t-shirts to test out new niches. If you are listing right now in December, the goal should not be holidays anymore, it should be evergreen. Listings that are going to keep your shop getting consistent sales all throughout the year. Here are some evergreen niches for t-shirts. Teacher niches, careers, pet owners, hobbies, motivational quotes. These niches stay active all year. These simple t-shirts consistently outperform the complicated ones. And make sure you are using quality t-shirt brands. I'm going to show you where I get mine within Printify. So now we are in Printify and we're going to come over to catalog here and t-shirts. My biggest sellers in my Etsy print-on-demand shops are the Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt. Another really great seller for a lot of Etsy sellers is the Comfort Colors 1717. And I just want to show you, if we click into the Bella Canvas 3001, on Printify you can do direct to garment printing, which is the design is getting printed onto the t-shirt, but they also offer embroidery, which are huge sellers on Etsy as well. They also have a variety of different print providers to choose from. I typically go with Swift POD, and I wanted to show you here as well. They have a ton of different color options for you to choose from. Product number 2 is mugs. And honestly, mugs might be one of the smartest December uploads that you can make. Not for Christmas sales though, that window is definitely closing. But this is because mugs have massive evergreen demand. Here are some niche ideas for mugs. Funny quotes, coffee lover designs, dad and mom gifts, coworker gifts, pet themes, astrology, book lovers. You can create mug designs in just a few minutes and the profit is huge on these. Plus, mugs have repeat gifting opportunities like birthdays, graduations, promotions, thank you gifts all year long. And Printify's prices for these are amazing. Let's check it out. To find the mugs, we're going to go to catalog and come over to home and living and mugs. My go-to mug is this basic one right here because it's only $3.68 and it is great quality. I have some samples myself. The profit margin on these is huge. But Printify also offers some really great variations of mugs on here. You can get the ones that have the colors on the inside and the handles. They have all black mugs. They have the camper style mugs, the clear glass mugs, insulated coffee mugs, and a bunch more to choose from. Their variations are great because you can use any of these to stand out among all the Etsy sellers who might just be using a basic mug. And finally, tote bags. If you are not listing tote bags right now, you are seriously missing out on an underrated product. They are trending, they are eco-friendly, and they are in high demand on Etsy. Also, they are one of the easiest print-on-demand items to design for. And they also sell in niches that never die. Book lovers, teachers, minimalist quotes, pet owners, boho aesthetic, grocery market bags, coffee lovers, and you could just do one clean graphic or like one line of text right in the middle. That's it. Keep it simple. Tote bags require almost no design skill, so these are a super beginner friendly product for you to jump on. To find tote bags, you're going to go to catalog and accessories and then bags. Here is the standard tote bag here. Love it because it's only $6.97. Again, another huge profit margin with this product. You can also go for this one to stand out a little bit more. This one's $9.25, but it's bigger than the cotton tote bag. It's white and then it has the black strap. Now remember, when you upload these in December, you are not aiming to get those last minute holiday sales. You want to get these listings live and within the algorithm so that they are ready to sell by January. Evergreen products that are listed now will be perfectly positioned for New Year sales. If you'd like me to make a video where I create all 3 of these products in real time and design them, list them in Printify and Etsy, comment show me down below. And if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. As always, thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you need help with your shop, if you feel like you're not getting as many sales as you should be, I offer shop reviews. I will provide the link in my description below. Sign up for a shop review so I can give you a full video recording on the things I see that you're doing right, the things I see that you need improvement on, and how you can improve on those things. Set your shop up for the new year. Let's get that money.